Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Pipedrive automatically. So let's suppose I'm running a real estate agency and promoting this with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want whenever I receive a new lead, it should be automatically created in my Pipedrive. I completely want to automate this process, and to do this, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Pipedrive. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ads where I will receive the new lead, and in my action application, I will take Pipedrive where the lead will be created automatically as soon as the lead will be received through Facebook lead ads. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Pipedrive automatically. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Pipedrive with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to open this Pabbly Connect Access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter my workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So over here, I will enter my workflow name as how to add Facebook leads to Pipedrive automatically. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Facebook lead automations and click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add Facebook leads to Pipedrive automatically, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, a lead will be created in Pipedrive automatically, which means whenever a new Facebook lead will be generated, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will choose my application as Facebook lead ads. And in my trigger event, I will take new lead instant. Now click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. If you don't have one, we have to make this connection, and to make this connection, you have to click on this add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I have already logged into my Facebook and I want to continue with this account. And authorization successful. So Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and next I have to enter these two details, which is page and lead gen form. And to enter this, let me take you to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name Prime Properties, and I want to run all the advertisements with the help of this page. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from over here I will choose my page as Prime Properties. And then I need to select the lead gen form. So over here I can see all the forms that have been created under this page. So now I need to select the page, and to select this, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Now on the top I can see all this option. Here I need to click on this more, click on tools. And if I scroll down, I will be able to find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I have to click this. And lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of me, where I need to search for my page and then my form. So my page was Prime Properties. So I will select that from here, and then I have all these forms. So here I want to select this lead form new, which has all these details, type of property interested in, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code. So I want to select this form. So I will select this form from here and go back to Pabbly Connect and select my form as lead form new. Now over here, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And as I click over here, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to go to back to leads ads testing tool, and from over here I need to first delete the lead and then refresh the page once. Now select my page as prime properties and then my form as lead form new. Then I have to click on this preview form. So over here this form has appeared in front of me, and here I will enter all the dummy details. So let's say the type of property that I am interested in is residential property. Now my first name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new423@pabblytudes.com, my phone number is, my street address is 12 Street Road, my city is Bhopal, my state is Madhya Pradesh, and my zip code is. Now I simply have to click on this continue, click on submit. Now I have submitted the form. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this response there or not. So here I can see I have instantly captured the response. The type of property I am interested in is residential property. My first name was new, my last name was user, email address was new423@pabblytudes.com, my phone number was this, street road is my address, city is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh is state, this is the zip code. This means Pabbly Connect is connected with my Facebook lead ads, and now I have to move to my next step, which is action step. So I want to create lead in Pipedrive. For that, I first have to create a person in Pipedrive. So here my action application will be Pipedrive, and then my action event will be create a person. Click on connect. Over here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on add new connection. And to make this connection, we first have to enter this API token. And it is written over here, to get the API token, log into your Pipedrive account and click on the profile icon at the top corner. Then proceed to personal preference and then API. So to enter this, let me take you to my Pipedrive account. Over here, we need to click on this profile and then click on personal preference. Over here, I can see my API. So I just need to copy this and paste it over here. Now I simply have to click on the save, and Pipedrive is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter all these details, and to enter this I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my Facebook lead ads, so I will simply click on this Facebook lead ads and map my name as new user. Now over here I need to select my lead. So let's say I want to select this as hot lead and then my phone number as this one. Following the same process, I will map my email address, which is new423@pabblytudes.com. Now I haven't received any details for this organization and owner. For now I am ignoring this. And then visible tool. So I will select this as item owner. If you want to choose any other option, you can select according to your choice and preference. Then I need to enter my first name, which was new, and then my last name, which was user. And then the labels over here, I do not want to enter any labels, so I will leave this blank. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now over here, if I manually enter my data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. I will only see this new user everywhere. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I simply have to scroll down and click on the save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response successfully. So over here I have received my data ID, data company ID, data owner ID with all the other details, which is my name, phone number, email address and so on. So now I need to go to my Pipedrive and check whether this person has been created there as a contact or not. So let's open my Pipedrive. So this is the dashboard, and on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to click on this contacts, and if I scroll down I will be able to find this user by the name new user. The email address was new423@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this, and the lead is hot lead. So this means we have created this user as a contact in Pipedrive, and now I need to move to my next step, which is I need to create this as lead. So I will add one more action step, and over here I will search for Pipedrive again, and then select my action event as create lead. Click on connect. So I already have an existing connection, so I will now simply go with save. And here Pipedrive is connected with Pabbly Connect, and here we need to enter all these details. So the first one is lead name. So I have received the response in my Pipedrive. So from over here I will enter my lead name as new user. So over here I have this one ID which is demo pab, so I just want to select this, and then in my organization ID and person ID, so I have to map one of these. So I have to map one of these IDs, and for that I need to turn on this mapping button. And I have received the person ID in my previous action step, so I will simply click on this Pipedrive and map my person ID from over here. Now over here I need to select the label as I want to select this as odd. Then I have not received any lead value currency, expected close date visible to. So I'm simply leaving these fields blank, but if you have these, you can enter following the same process. So now after entering the lead name and the person ID, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response successfully. Now I need to open my Pipedrive and check whether this lead has been created there or not. So let's open my Pipedrive, and on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to click on the second option, leads. And here we can see we have instantly created this lead by the name new user. The email address is new423@pabblytudes.com. The phone number is this. So to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my lead ads testing tool again and fill some other details. But before that, I have to first delete my lead and then refresh the page. And now I have to select my page as prime properties, and then my form as lead form new. Now I have to click on this preview form. So over here I need to fill some other dummy details. So this time I am interested in residential property, and here my name is latest user, and then my email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number is, my street address is 33 Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh. Then my zip code is. Now I have to click on this continue, click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Now a lead should be created in my Pipedrive. So let's go back to Pipedrive, and from over here let's refresh the page once. And here we can see we have created this latest lead also. The name was latest user, phone number was this, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com. So to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we selected a page and selected a lead gen form, after which we submitted a form in lead ads testing tool and received the response over here. Then we selected our action application as Pipedrive, where we entered all the details of the lead that we have received through Facebook lead ads. And then after that, we have received the response over here in which we received the ID. Then we selected our action application as Pipedrive, and then the action event as create lead. After that, we selected our lead name, and then the response that we have received in our previous action step, which was person ID. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as new lead created in my Pipedrive. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Pipedrive with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.